Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that ZArchiver is not working properly and they're saying that your access is denied when you're using and something like when importing something files and you're facing that issue in the that app. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue in your iPhone. So many users making the video to how you can resolve the issue in the Android, so not anyone have to resolve the issue in the iPhone. So I'm going to tell that how you can resolve it. Simply just follow the steps. First step is that you're just going to the settings of your iPhone and is going to the make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just simply going to general section and is going to software update and has updated the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going to scroll it down and see the option of our transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on our reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, just going back and just going to the scroll up and see the option of iPhone storage. Just tap on that and just scroll it to find our app of our ZArchiver and just going to show all and see the option on the app of our ZArchiver is showing. Just tap on that and you see the option of offload app. Just offload the app from here and again download from that. If after the again download from that section, if not problem not gonna solve, simply just delete the app and again download from the Play Store. If you don't know how you can download, simply just going to the App Store and just simply search app of ZArchiver and just simply download from that. And make sure that before going to use it in the first time, you have to make sure it's updated version and the latest version. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.